hand gesture controlled robot using Arduino and ultrasonic sensor. So here we are using two parts, one is transmitter part and one is receiver part. In the transmitter part we are using 9 volts battery and Arduino Uno R3 board, ADXL335 accelerometer sensor we are using, and HT12E encoder IC and RF433 MHz module. It is transmitter module. So when we are going to bend forward, backward, left, right, stationary position is the stop position. According to the signals, the Arduino will take those data and it will send the according to the 4-bit binary format value. So that value should be sent to transmitter and receiver will receive the data, and HT12D decoder IC will decode those pins 2, 3, 4, 5 GPIO pin number, and it is connected to the Arduino board and 9 volts battery. HC05 ultrasonic distance measurement module. If it is going forward direction, any obstacle is detected, then it will stop. So LED is not using an L293D driver IC 300 RPM motor. So onboard LED I am using. So here X coordinate, Y coordinate connected to the A0, A1. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Sorry, 8, 9, 10, 11 pin numbers. So 2, 3, 4, 5. And trigger echo connected to the A0, A1. So here 8, 9, 10, 11 connected to the L293D. So let us coming into the RA transmitter module. Two batteries. Power on, off. So here we are using 7805 regulator and filter capacitor and LED, ST12E encoder IC and RF module, RF transmitter module we are using 433 MHz and one ADXL335 accelerometer sensor, Arduino Uno R3 board. So total it is connected on the glove. Okay, so this is entire section is transmitter module and the receiver module connected to the 9 volts battery. So for the switch button, okay, so here also one switch button is there. Okay, okay, so here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, LED. So Arduino Uno R3 board. So RF receiver module, okay, small antenna. So L293D driver IC connected with the two batteries. So power consumption purpose. So two batteries for the power supply, Arduino board and L293D, and only these two batteries for the motor purpose. Okay, power on. So here also power on and power on. Okay. Okay, so it is near to obstacle, that's why it is not going to forward. Now forward stop, backward stop, left stop, right stop, forward. Okay, when you are going, any obstacle detected, it should stop. Obstacle stop. Okay, okay, forward, backward stop, forward, obstacle detected, then stop. Left, right, left, right. Okay, back. Okay, then forward. because obstacle is there up to 30 centimeter distance. Okay, forward, obstacle detected. HCSR04 ultrasonic distance measurement module. Okay, free wheel 300 RPM motors. Okay, then power off, battery power off, main power supply. Here also power off. Okay. In the block diagram.